Today we're making lemon curd. I'm going to use this in my Chinese lemon chicken. I'm going to use it in my lemon tarts. It's low carb, keto friendly, 11 net carbs in the whole jar. Okay, today we're making lemon curd. There's about 11 net carbs in the whole batch. The recipe for my lemon curd is below in the comments section. It's keto friendly, it's really easy to make, only takes a couple of minutes, and I'm going to use it double boiler. So I've got a pot with a bowl and a whisk, and I've got a half cup of fresh lemon juice. Got a half cup of allulose sweetener, 4 egg yolks, and a half cup of butter. That's 1 stick. And we're just going to whisk this. Now you could do it in just a regular pot, not a double boiler system, but you can't bring it to a boil. You have to sneak up on this. So this is actually a lot like a hollandaise sauce. There you go, that's just about ready. It's thickening up nicely. I want it just a little bit thicker than that. There you go, I like that. That's about 8 minutes. And if you have a problem where you don't have a whisk and you're just doing it with a spatula and you get kind of lumpy, then what you can do is take a sieve and just strain it and then take the back side of a spoon and push it through. But this is really good. I like this consistency. Go to what you like, actually. So I'm going to pour this in to this bowl. Yeah, there's no lumps in that at all. That's perfect. And there's so many keto desserts that you can do and dishes that you can do with this lemon curd. You could have it on a keto ice cream. You could have it on top of your stuffed French toast. I like that. That was extremely easy to make. There's my keto-friendly lemon curd. Next up is going to be my Chinese lemon chicken and some lemon tarts. Lemon curd. Thanks for watching.